Hey folks, my name's Kyle. Welcome to K6 Outdoors. It's fall time. You probably can tell because the way that the ground is behind me. And I need to get rid of these leaves. Either A, I can just mulch them with the mower and they'll blow away. Or B, I can bag them, put them in a pile and let the kids play in them. Then bag them again, clean them up and burn them. So we're gonna bag them up and let the kids play in them so I can clean the mess up again. And we're going to use the old Yardworks lawn sweep that I picked up a couple of years ago, and it still is working great. Show you guys how well this does work on all the leaves here. The trees have almost lost all the leaves. There's some left to go here, but we're going to get some more rain tomorrow, and I'm guessing they'll probably all be gone at that point. So let's hop on the mower, start doing some sweeping. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Looks like we need to adjust the brushes down a little bit. Easy to do that. Tighten that back up. Now we should get more leaves. Let's go. A lot of leaves back here. It doesn't really look like it, but there is. Here's the small pile of leaves that we swept up with that lawn sweep. Camera never does a good job on letting you understand size or really scale of things. So I'll just walk in here and show you. You know, I'm right at 6 foot tall, and this pile of leaves in the middle is, I get my feet all the way down the bottom, is about up to my waist. So nice big pile of leaves here we got here in not too long of a time. But you know, that actual bag is fairly large, but it doesn't take much to fill it up. Leaves, there's a lot of leaves on those trees. All right, we got this all raked up. It's hard to see maybe on camera, but we got rid of a lot of the leaves. Some of the stuff over here I'm just gonna mulch up instead of trying to put down there in a pile for the kids to play with. Now, as far as this lawn sweep is considered, I've used it for a few years now, and let's take a look at the condition of it. So far, I've had zero problems with it as far as performance, and I just want to give you guys kind of an update here if you wanted to get one of these yourself, what you could expect. Now this isn't a car, so I can't tell you how many miles are on it by any means, but it gets used a lot. The actual tires here are wearing just fine, no big issues there. The gearbox is working as intended, it's not been slipping any teeth or anything. The old adjustment mechanism is in good shape. The bag is holding up well. The top of the chute, or the top of the bag there, I mean, has no holes in it. That's all working all right. Inside the bag, you can see no holes. The bottom is that harder plastic, or thicker plastic, whatever you want to call it. So that's holding up just fine. Inside of here, the brushes are doing well. Not really missing any teeth or anything, but we do have some trash stuck in there from the guy using it. That's fine. But those are holding up really well. Again, a lot of this stuff can be replaced. Just take some bolts out and add in new brushes. But so far, so good. And like anything else I have here at the property, I try to keep as much stuff indoors as I can, and this is one of those. So Mother Nature can't help destroy it. I do a good enough job of that myself. Just walk around here quick. Nothing to surprise. Everything is still in good working order. Obviously, it's a little dusty. We were just getting in, raking up some leaves. But overall, A+ for quality so far. So there's a brief update there on the yard sweep, lawn sweep, Dethatcher, Bagger 7000, multi-purpose yard cleaning up device. Working out well. A lot of times I pull this with my Mahindra tractor, but it's got something else on it today and I didn't want to bother taking it off, so strapped her on here to the old Hustler zero-turn mower and does the job just fine. If you guys have one of these yourself, let me down in the comments below how yours is holding up. This one's been great so far. Using it for bagging leaves, grass, all sorts of things. I've been using it fairly heavy here on my almost 2 acres of property. Thanks for stopping in today, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next video. We'll see ya.